yourself with it.
No, actually, Andrew put it down pretty quickly with a scatter arrow after I hooked it.
Scatter. Wait, that would mean that you have to play Hanzo, and that makes no sense. So
Andrew was playing Hanzo.
Yeah, because I got his new skin, so I have to play him occasionally.
This map is so weird. I've only played it once.
Oh my god, there's so many fucking widows.
Wait, hold on, let me fuck her up.
I can't get it to there we go.
Fish behind it.
Lol, I fell off the
Yeah,
map.
they're coming in through the building.
I was trying so hard to get that Discord for you so you could get her, and I like slipped off the back ledge. I did get the Discord though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's okay. They're 5
I couldn't
DPS.
see him.
how the fuck did he not die? I am so angry at what just happened now.
They are 5 DPS.
I can't believe that Reaper took so many shots to put down.
I don't know this map, and it hurts.
Torbjorn, you should give me one. I do. That's neat.
I got their mercy.
They went on the Eagle ride to kill my level 1 turret.
Yep.
It was just having fun, spending a day at the
Oh my
amusement park.
god! Two limbs is gold.
One of lives is wrong.
719 is damage gold.
I'm at
We're getting a
780.
raffle stomped.
Oh, I got
My
plus one
ultimate
though.
is almost ready.
I realized I had StarLord muted in game.
Well, I muted
Rude.
I muted StarLord in
Rude.
game too.
Oh,
They
it's
were reflecting.
oh, that's now he is reflecting. Okay, okay.
I
So I
really
can't have
don't
it
like
muted
that
in game
Widow
safely.
is the biggest hard counter to Torbjorn.
Hold on, I'm gonna fuck her up.
Ever get that thing?
Widow's becoming so much more popular now, like she's in comp and everything.
Yeah.
I
You're just getting hard rolled right now.
Back to work.
I like how
Best.
Genji immediately starts reflecting while I'm hammering him in the face.
Mercy half.
What is with the hitboxes? Because Widow's like aiming like a
Alright.
foot away.
That's it.
away
This is
from
dumb.
me.
We actually need to talk.
That's a lot of people. Oh no, that's a bridge.
that's
Got
a
stuck
break.
on the fucking tree.
Oh shit.
Personne n'échappe
Okay.
à mon regard.
Back in the fun.
Jump pack kill.
Mercy's discorded.
Meteor strike.
Nope, not helping you with
Oh
that.
god! I couldn't hit Q fast enough.
I had. Oh my god, that was hilarious. I survived that meteor strike with hitting alt, hitting my alt
I was
ability.
about to do that too, and I just couldn't.
I've never even seen the map from this point back, so it
The
should be
Widow's
fun.
down.
It goes inside, doesn't it?
Double
Hanzo down.
The kill everybody in the room button.
Hey, Panda. Panda.
Word.
Panda. Can you heal me? Thank you.
No. I didn't really want to. That Mercy's
Yeah.
discorded, by the way. Have fun with her.
You hate the Mercy that's jumping, trying to get away from me.
She's discorded again.
And could use patch up top.
Oh. What is it?
Band-Aid!
Solo heals a Zen is
And
rough.
for everyone.
I got full smoke.
It's here for the speed this crap.
Armor here.
You just try to use Rocket Barrage with a Widow.
Yeah. I wanna. Yeah. I don't know how she shot me fast enough to kill me. Like, that full health.
I also don't like that I can hit Widow 3 times and she's still not dead.
The Hanzo's down.
Genji!
Mercy half.
Gotcha.
Oh. Nice.
Down.
Turn diamond.
He's discorded.
Down.
charger almost ready to be deployed.
I'm getting better at Tracer.
Where were we?
That would be
Widow
super
low.
useful too. Tracer's so good on dive.
Oh, what the fuck are these shots?
Yeah, that Widow's a body shot pro.
No, she's just
I need
been
healing.
headshotting me.
So much healing I need. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Torbjorn, give me Band-Aid. Band-Aid!
I'm dead.
Forgot who you were. Like, oh, this is lucky now.
No, angry blue man.
I've died 7 times in this game so far.
I got stuck on
So good at this.
Big tired of this Widow.
I don't understand this map at all yet.
Reaper half.
Oh, you
That's a
fucking
Reaper.
Got him. I got full spawn too.
it. Thank you, Panda.
Where are they?
Jesus Christ!
Ever get that feeling? Deja vu.
Couldn't even get out the door without the Tracer just harassing me.
Hi, Genji. Dude, you gotta give it up.
Mercy's discorded.
Hold on, I'm coming with full spawn. Get
Mercy's
fucked,
down.
boy.
Double kill.
Beautiful.
Where's that Widow
Fuck
at?
is she?
She's up on the Fez. She's down.
Down.
Reaper. Reaper half. Reaper no ace. Got him.
Let's try that again.
Excuse me for dropping here.
I thought you were an enemy, Winston. Stop it.
No, we're all good here.
He's discorded.
Doom!
Yeah, dude's half.
Mercy's straight.
Oh my god.
Ooh.
I got fucked up.
Squish.
Thank you, Panda.
StarLord, you're just zapping him.
I mean, when they bring all squish,
Yeah. What else
Like,
is there
this
to
is
do?
the character to go.
60 seconds.
Oh my god.
Reaper low. Reaper no rate.
Where's Reaper?
Everyone's trying to get me lucky turret.
The Protoss feed.
You're not Irish.
Oh damn, Zag. You okay?
that
Yeah.
I thought for sure I was gonna get away from her too.
I got
She's gonna
love
jump
when
right
your
now.
character dies and she has a jetpack and she gets shot in the foot twice.
Seconds remaining.
Fuck.
Oh, done, come back.
I
Need
cannot
help.
reach any of you.
Oh my fuck, that's a lot of them.
Ever get that feeling? Deja vu.
Oh, Widow low.
10 seconds.
Get some heals.
Get fucked. That's 2.
Time's up.
That's some yummy.
Oh, that's 3. I got a triple at the end.
Victory.
And loot box.
Oh, please let me get to play the game other than this fucking Widow.
What is-
Play of the game.
Fuck. What does that Orisa have a pumpkin head?
Yeah.
Because it's one of the victory poses for Halloween.
Oh.
God.
Ow.
Rip.
Yeah,
Wow, that
yeah,
was
yeah.
super underwhelming.
51% kill participation.
She was on fire the entire game.
Alright, well, I gotta go get my laundry in 2 minutes.
Okay.
I just gotta put it in the dryer, so it won't take long.
I definitely won't queue us in that time.
Well, I'm